10 lines on Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. India got an independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. That's why Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. National flag is hoisted every year on this day. National anthem is sung on this day. National flag gets a salute from everyone. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. First Prime Minister of independent India is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. I love my country very much. Our national flag. Our national flag is designed with 3 colors. Saffron represents courage and sacrifice. White represents honesty, peace, and purity. Green represents faith, loyalty, and honor. Ashoka chakra can be seen on the Indian national flag. The chakra is navy blue in color and is made of 24 spokes. It represents the wheel of Dharma. I am proud to be an Indian. Vande Mataram.